This is a fridge being smashed.
Okay. Mine's over there.
Shit! We're gonna get home. Nope! Kill Chester.
Hey, niggas better hop behind. Hey, don't throw it at the window.
Whoa!
Just roll with it, man. I'm joking. Because it's like, no, on the back it's just like styrofoam, so. Hey. Oh!
So they're shooting at us. It's Vietnam.
Tip.
Oh! Yeah! Electro smash there.
We have the right to maim and destroy this thing. Hold up, I swear a couple of y'all niggas was behind me.
I was in front of you. That's right here.
I have no idea. I was in front of you because you changed that my ass.
I'm African American. I ain't no nigga. It's not the roots.
This not the roots.
You get shot around here for saying that.
Right.
Go for the middle side.
Oh!
I'm finna hold smash this. I'm finna smash it.
Woo!
One more time.
Yeah! You shall not pass!
Hey, we finna show off here.
I'm about to Chris Brown the shit out of this thing. I'm gonna Chris Brown the shit out of this thing. Oh!